now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start chapter living world. In this chapter we have discussed about the first topic, that is first topic कौन सा डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हम? Characterization of characteristics of livings. Okay, after this we will discuss about the diversity in living world. Diversity in living world. As we know that in all over the world or in our planet, various type of organisms are found that are the from microorganisms to higher organisms, that are plants and animals. So various type due to the foundation of various type of animals, the various type of different characters are present in the world. Okay, different type के organism में different type के characters present हैं, and due to this type of variations, okay, due to this type of variations the diversity is found in world. Okay, the diversity is found in living world. So the diversity which is found in living world, that is known as biodiversity. Biodiversity. So what is the definition of biodiversity? The diversity that is found in living world or all living organisms, that is known as biodiversity. And biodiversity is made up of two words. These two words are, first is bios and second is diversity. Bios means, bios denote the word life, and diversity denotes the word forms. So the diversity that is present in all life forms, that is known as biodiversity. Okay, or the variations that are found in all living beings or all living organisms, that is known as biodiversity. Okay, so this is the definition of biodiversity. After this, in the biodiversity, we will discuss about three things. These three things are, as we know, what is these three things or these three processes? The first is identification. Identification. The second thing is, what is the second thing? Nomenclature. Nomenclature. And the last thing is classification. Classification. So these are the three important parts of biodiversity that we will discuss about the all living things. So when we talk about the biodiversity, biodiversity means various forms of livings. So when we discuss about the various form of livings, starting में हम क्या करेंगे? जब हमने किसी भी organism को देखा, when we see any organism, when we say that a rat, a dog and a wheat, dog and rat, I said the three names. Okay, थ्री नेम्स मैंने लिया आपसे, वीट, डॉग एंड रेट, और इन तीनों का नाम आते ही आपके माइंड में एक इमेज बन जाती है. ओके, और इन तीनों ऑर्गेनिज्म को आपने थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. ओके, रेट, डॉग एंड वीट को आपने थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया और थ्री ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. वाई? बिकॉज वेरियस टाइप ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन थ्री ऑर्गेनिज्म्स. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज आइडेंटिफिकेशन. हमने सबसे पहले इनको क्या किया? आइडेंटिफाई किया, एक इमेज बनाई माइंड के अंदर कि इन तीनों में डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स प्रेजेंट्स हैं, एंड ड्यू टू दिस वेरियस कैरेक्टर्स these are three different organisms. So firstly हमने क्या किया, इनको आइडेंटिफाई किया, एंड आइडेंटिफाई किसके बेसिस पे किया, कैरेक्टर्स के बेसिस पर. these are the some special characters that are present in these organisms. After this what will we do? आफ्टर दिस हमने क्या किया, इन ऑर्गेनिज्म को आइडेंटिफाई करके इनकी नाम हम सोचेंगे. ओके हमने किसी अननोन ऑर्गेनिज्म को लिया, ठीक है, हमने कोई भी एक चलते हुए हमने कोई एक अननोन चीज़ देखी, दैट इज ए अननोन थिंग. ओके फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे कि ये लिविंग है या नॉन लिविंग है. फर्स्टली हम क्या आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे, दैट इज लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग. So first हम क्या देखेंगे, characteristics of livings, and when the all characteristics of living present in that thing, that means it is a living thing. After this हमें ये पता चल गया कि this is a living thing. After this what will we do, that is identification. Okay, identification means इसके अंदर क्या क्या ऐसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स प्रेजेंट हैं जो इसको लिविंग बनाते हैं. ओके फिर हमने क्या किया, इसको आइडेंटिफाई किया, मीन्स इसको कौन से ग्रुप में जाना चाहिए. हमने इसके स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स को यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई किया. आफ्टर दिस आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बाद में उन स्पेशल कैरेक्टर्स के बेसिस पर हम इसको क्या देंगे, एक नेम देंगे. ओके वी विल गिव द नेम of this special thing. Okay after this nomenclature के बाद में हम क्या करेंगे, इसको इन सारे कैरेक्टर्स और नेम के बेसिस पर एक स्पेशल ग्रुप में जाके उसको रखेंगे. that is known as classification. Okay so these are the three processes that are including in the biodiversity. Okay these are the three important processes that are including in biodiversity. Okay so firstly हम डिस्कस करेंगे about the biodiversity, and biodiversity में हम किसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे, आइडेंटिफिकेशन के बारे में. so as we know various type of organisms present in the planet, and these organisms are till the today that 1.7 to 1.8 million species are described. Okay the species of organisms described till this that is 1.7 to 1.8 million species. Okay this is the number of species. And what is a species? What is a species? What is a species? Species is a defined group of similar organisms. Okay species is a defined group of, it is a defined group of similar organisms, similar organisms that are capable to interbreeding. Okay that are capable to interbreeding. And after the interbreeding what they originate, they produce fertile offspring. Okay after the inbreeding they produce a fertile offspring. So this is the definition of a species. What is the species? Species is a group of similar organisms that are capable in inbreeding, and after the inbreeding they produce fertile offspring. Okay so species के अंदर only वही organisms का group including होगा जो interbreed कर सकता है, and after the interbreed so let's continue. So this number of species is given by the IUCN. The IUCN stands for